Today I will show you the exact strategy which has 70% success rate. It's very simple. Just follow the indicators and make millions. My name is Vivek. I have a 6-year experience in trading. If you want to know my secret, watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Okay, now we will fully replicated the strategy. We need 5 minutes time frame, but it's crucial to set a 1 minute expiration. Now let's add the indicators. We need 2 moving averages and a fractal. We will copy their exact setting. For the first MA, set period to 8 and it make it purple to distinguish it from second one. Okay, everything's ready. Now let's configure the second moving average. Here we can change the period to 4, color it will light blue. The fractional also need adjustment. Set period 3 and save the changes. Okay, the strategy is set. Now let's figure out how to place trade based on its logic. First we look for fractals. If there is one pointing upward, we will enter on pullback. If the orange MA lines on the top, the asset is falling. And there is the opposite scenario. Their downward pointing fractal. After it, the light blue up line end up above the purple one. The signals for a price increase. As you can see, even this section, there are penalty of opportunities to trade using this logic. All we need is a fractional and a position of MAS. The strategy creator claims it's universal and works well in the market in any situation. Now let's put in the test. I will look for the entry point and see how it's performed. Analyzes the market and show a trading opportunity here. Entering the market right at this point. The blue MA is on the top and their fractal below. Okay, what's happening here? The same setup. We see a fractal below and the blue line is above again. Alright, entering the trade based on the strategy. Let's open another one. And the third chart shows the same signals. I'm on a roll. Blue line on the top, fractal below, that's our entry signal. Now we can see 3 open trade. All that left is to wait for the result. In this video where I saw this strategy explained, the author claims it was self-sufficient. All we need is for the indicator conditions to align and we will consistently look in a profit. But right now I can see things are not so rosy. Let's summarize the results. The first trade has already closed at a loss. Why? It's simple. We open the trade near a danger zone. Right at the strong resistance level, the price bounced back from it, closing our position at loss. Meanwhile, my second trade is also closed in the red. Let's figure out what's happening here. Why the indicators suggest growth? There is a catch. I will show you. Here the trend line and the asset bounced right off it. Here we enter long at a crucial point. Okay, now let's look at the third trade. It's also losing. This time we just unlucky. Trading with 1 minute expiration on 15-minute candles is a strange choice to begin with. But we are testing someone else's strategy right. The conclusion is simple. This trading system seems to be missing something. Now I will make a few more trades, but this time I will try to make them perfect. Let's go. Okay, let's trade long on this chart. We have a fractional and the blue line is on the top. We will also open another position. Oops, we definitely won't enter here. We will already seen setup like this before. But here, everything looks perfect. Yes, this is definitely where I will enter the market. Earlier, I was trading without any preparation or market adjustment. Just blindly follow the indicator signals. Deep down, I knew those trades are unlikely to close profitable, and that's exactly what happened. This time through, I carefully selected the right condition for entry. Let's break them down. On this chart, we have a standard pullback continuation pattern. Plus, there is a distance level marked by fractal. And yes, friends, this is correct way to use this indicator. It identifies level we can actually trade. Now let's analyze the second trade. While the first one just closed its profit, The situation here is still unclear, but I believe the price won't drop further and we will close this trade profitability. Perfect, it worked out. Now let's zoom out. Here is a level from a previous fractional and the price recently broke through it. This is an additional bullish signal, especially after the overall reversal near this level. That's exactly why I choose this currency pair for the trade. In other words, indicators alone clearly are not enough here. Now let's trade with strategy, comprehensively incorporating technical analysis. Okay guys, let's trade this downside move. I am already in the market and now I want to show you what we're working with here. First note, the overall trade is bearish. We are trading the main momentum. We got our fractal as per strategy rules, plus the purple MA on the top. If we connect previous lows with a trend line, we get the exact level where price is currently heading. Now we just wait for expiration. What do you think, guys? Does not this analysis look way more convincing? I am sure most of you would agree. This is a common beginner trap. They search for strategies from YouTube traders who oversimply reality, leaving out all the crucial nonsense. Okay, close this one profitable, and I think I will stay on this chart, currently seeing another trading opportunity. Unless we get sudden volatility spikes, I will definitely re-enter the market. Overall, nothing alarming happening, so I am jumping back in. Let's break this down. I already marked the lower band, but you can also see a key level that price is approaching. As long as we reach here, we can reasonably expect further downside and profit from this move. Now back to those YouTube strategies you often see. They show you some secret indicator setting, talk about magical combination, claiming this is the holy grail of trading. But in reality, the core of successful trading is technical analysis, working with levels, zones, and trends. This is what institutional players and professional traders actually focused on. Indicators can useful tools, but they should only serve to fine-tune entries within the context of broader market analysis. Another profitable close here. Now I will switch chart to analysis different scenarios. Let's go. So let's trade long now. Within our trading strategy, everything here looks perfect. There is a fractal at the bottom plus the blue line is on the top. At the same time, we have a key level that the price is already breaking through. Since we are breaking upward and we should accept further upside within this overall trend. Perfect, let's wait for expiration now. This raises an important question. Do we really need indicator-based strategies? Yes, they were essential tools. That's why I regularly share new ones in my videos. But they were just one piece of the trading puzzle. Without technical analysis, you were doomed to make the same losing trades I show at the beginning of this session. Indicators are merely supporting tools. Think of them like glasses. They help you see the chart more clearly and spot what you might have otherwise missed. Meanwhile, I am in a profit again and we likely open another trade here. The set is railing strongly after breaking through resistance, so I am entering immediately to capitalize on the momentum. While we are waiting for expiration, let's summarize. You need technical analysis, its foundation of trading, and ignoring it would be a foolishness. YouTube videos really cover it properly, but you can learn it from me. Join my Telegram channel, link in the bio description, and observe what I share there with my students. We don't just analyze this traded nonsense, we trade together. I publish signal you can replicate, incorporate everything needed for successful trading, making them extremely reliable. This is the perfect way to start earning. Guys, okay, we are profitable again. Excluding early loss, I made over $500 this session. enough to draw a conclusion? Let's wrap it up. I am sure this video is a game changer for you. Now you can understand this trading strategy is so simple and so effective. I am wishing you a successful mastering in these indicators, in these strategies. For more content, you can see everything in my Telegram channel. Guys, growing my channel, it's also helpful. It helps more people to learn how to get profit in the market. If you want to support this mission, hit the bell icon so that you cannot miss my videos. Alright, time to wrap up. Good luck for your future. Smart trade. Have a nice day.